Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Slow Cooker Sunday. So today we're going to be putting a new twist on an old favorite, and I think this appetizer is at every holiday get together, whether it's a dinner or if it's an office party. You see them everywhere. They are Little Smokies. Usually when you see them, they are, a couple of times I've seen them wrapped in the little croissants, you know, like little teeny tiny pigs in a blanket, and I love those. But most of the time I find them in barbecue sauce. Everybody puts them in barbecue sauce, which I love too. But that's about the only sauce I ever really see them in. So today we're going to give them a new flavor. We're going to do some honey garlic. I had to think what we were making. Honey garlic Little Smokies. But before I get started, if this is your first time here and you love food and fun, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check the description below because you'll find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. All right, I am excited about these because I love Little Smokies. And these will be good all day. I'm going to put them in my Rockcrok. So this is my slow cooker also. It goes in the oven, the microwave, the stove. You guys have probably heard me talk about it before. Anyway, I love it. It's a slow cooker also. So that's what I'm using. I'm putting in 1.5 cups of ketchup. And I'll put a link to this down in the description below. I just love this. Whoa. I just love this product though because it goes everywhere. Like I said, the oven, the broiler, the grill, the microwave. Okay, 1 tablespoon of sriracha. I need to be quiet and pay attention to what I'm doing. 1 tablespoon of honey. And you know, if you like it a little bit hotter, you can put a little more sriracha in there. And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then I've got a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You know, you can't go wrong putting sugar in something. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Okay, I got it. One last thing, besides our Little Smokies, is I'm going to put, hold on a second, I'm going to get this all over me. Did I manage not to get it on my dress? Nope. Couple cloves of garlic here. And that should be it. So I'm going to whisk this together. I think that looks good. So I got 2 packages of Little Smokies here that I'm going to add in. They've already opened up, and I try not to get all that water that's in here. I probably should have rinsed and drained these, but they'll be okay. And I have the cheap Aldi brand. And I really do like, there's certain things that I actually like the, you know, not the generic. I like the name brand. And this is one of them, but I think these were only like $2.50 versus like $5 for the other ones. I think something like that. So I like getting one for free. All right, I think that is all of our Little Smokies. So I would say that you could put this in the slow cooker and you could cook it on low for 2 to 3 hours or on high for 4 to 5 hours. But honestly, I just make sure they're good and hot, and then I put them, you know, on low in the slow cooker, and I just leave them all day because, like I said, it's usually for like a holiday get together or whatever. But I got a couple more videos to do today, so I think we'll put the lid on here and I will just let them cook for 2 to 3 hours on high. Our Little Smokies are steaming hot, or they were steaming hot. I unplugged this a few minutes ago, and I went ahead and took a couple out for myself because I didn't want to burn myself. They were really, really hot. But don't they look delicious? I know they still look like they're barbecue sauce, but they smell like garlic. They smell delicious. And I have to show you guys my plates. Do you ever go shopping and you're going through the store and you just think you need things that you probably really don't need? This is what I do. I put things in my cart because I find things that are really cool and I just really need to show it to somebody, or I need to pretend like it's mine for like 5 minutes and then I don't have to buy it. So when I get up to the register, by that time I've usually showed a couple of people what I found, or I've talked myself out of buying it and then I have to put it back. So this was one of my finds. I did not put any of them back. I kept them all, and I haven't been able to show anybody these plates. They've been up in the cabinet, but then when you put food on them, you can't see the designs. So it kind of defeats the purpose. I don't even remember where I got them. I think this one might be my favorite. Skull and owl. Actually, maybe this one's my favorite. I don't know. But aren't they the coolest? I just love them. All right, let's give this little weenie a try. I just love fresh garlic. But you know, if you don't have fresh garlic, you can always use garlic powder, or you can use like the minced garlic that comes in a jar you keep in the fridge. You can use that too. Those are really good. And you know what? It's been probably a year since I had Little Smokies, so I was overdue. I really like these things. Anyway, give it a try. I think it is a little bit different than barbecue sauce, and it tastes really good, so I hope you guys give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments. I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.